we found an error on our previous video and we want to go ahead and fix that. We changed the wiring on our video because we added the new light sensors for this fall semester. So what we're going to need to do here is reconfigure this so that it's more like the video, so that you'll be able to work on your series circuit as you have to prepare for class. And so let's take a look at what we need to do first. So we've got, we're going to need to disconnect both servo plugs. And the reason we're doing this stuff is to make sure that you take good care of your hardware, we don't accidentally burn something up. And so let's disconnect the servo plugs, remove the connector for the light sensor, remove the wire, the signal wire for the light sensor, the analog wire that brings the signal in, disconnect the 3.3 volt power, this is probably the most important, and then finally install a jumper wire so we have 5 volts available on both sides of the breadboard. So let's go through that one step at a time. So let's take out both the servo plugs. Here's one. And we don't want to undo it too much. We'd like you to be able to put this back together easily when you're doing your robot challenge. So that's the 2 servo plugs disconnected. Let's take out the sensor wire as well. That takes care of the second item on the list. Our servo signal, our analog signal. And then finally, we actually pulled it out earlier and forgot to. Normally you'll have this 3.3 volt signal here providing power to the sensor, and we need to remove that. And that's really will protect your system. Also in the video that that follows this, you'll have a jumper wire from 5 volts across to the other side to make it easy to work with, so that you have 5 volts available on both sides of the board. So once you have this set up, you should be good to go. We'll put this on the front of the video that you'll be working with.